Hello, dear audience of love. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Yttria-stabilized zirconia microbeads, the unsung heroes in various industries. Trust me, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about what makes these microbeads so extraordinary. YSZ microbeads, composed of zirconium dioxide stabilized with yttrium oxide, boast high mechanical strength, wear resistance, and chemical stability. But that's not all. Their small size, typically around 0.05 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters, makes them perfect for grinding and dispersing ultrafine particles. It's like they have a magic touch when it comes to breaking down materials into smaller, more manageable sizes. Now, let's explore where these microbeads shine. First step, ceramics and advanced materials industry. In ceramics manufacturing, YSZ microbeads work their magic by grinding hard materials, ensuring a uniform particle size for enhanced mechanical properties in the final ceramic products. Paints, inks, and coatings industry jump into the world of colors. These microbeads are the secret behind consistent and vibrant hues in paints, inks, and coatings. They break down pigment aggregates for a flawless finish. Chemical industry. Now, let's talk about chemistry. YSZ microbeads play a crucial role in creating fine powders of chemicals and catalysts, enhancing reactivity and efficiency. Minerals and mining industry. In minerals and mining sector, these microbeads liberate valuable minerals from surrounding rock, making extraction smoother and more efficient. Nanotechnology and materials rare, zooming into the world of the tiny. YSZ microbeads are essential tools in nanotechnology and materials research, providing precise control over particle sizes for groundbreaking experiments. Pharmaceutical entries. In pharmaceuticals, these microbeads ensure your medications are effective by grinding active pharmaceutical ingredients into fine powders, enhancing solubility and bioavailability. Food and beverage industry. Now let's add some flavor. YSZ microbeads in the food and beverage industry help achieve consistent textures and flavors by grinding ingredients like spices and additives. Electronics and semiconductors. Switching gears to technology, these microbeads play a crucial role in grinding and polishing electronic components, ensuring precise dimensions for optimal performance. Cosmetics industry. Last but not least, the glam world. YSZ microbeads in cosmetics manufacturing ensure your favorite products have consistent particle sizes and textures, contributing to that flawless finish. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Yttria-stabilized zirconia microbeads across various industries. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious.